Hello and welcome to this Notch Tech tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to remote control your Mac using an iOS device via the Chrome Remote Desktop. So first you're going to want to go on Google Chrome. It's important that it is Google Chrome, otherwise this will not work. Now the link is in the description, or you can just use this. It is chrome.google.com/webstore. So go ahead and type that in. You should come up with this page. Now we're going to want to go on the search bar right here. Then we type in, of course, Chrome Remote Desktop. And here it is. So go ahead and click on that. It should look like this. Now click Add to Chrome. You can ignore all this, just click Add. Doesn't take that long to download, and there it is. So we're going to want to go ahead and click on that. Now as you can see, we can now close this. We've got this screen here. Now we're going to want to do this, the second option here. So go ahead and click on Get Started. Then click on Enable Remote Connections. And it should start to download a host's file. Now what this is just a file which runs in the background so that you can access this computer using any iOS device. Okay, so I've just fast forwarded the download there because my internet is rather slow. So go ahead and open that up. It should be called Chrome Remote Desktop.dmg. Go ahead and click on the package file right here. Okay, now just click continue, accept and all that, you know the drill. Okay, just type in my password. And there we go, the installation was successful. Okay, so now you're going to want to close that off. And let's just close that as well, we don't need that. So now it will ask you for a PIN. Now it needs to be 6 digits, okay? So make sure it isn't one which people will know, obviously, because that may be an issue. I'm just going to make one up right here. Make sure you remember this PIN, so write it down, because otherwise you will not be able to access your Mac using your iOS device. So go ahead and type that in, retype it, and then click OK. Okay, now it will ask, it should come up with this. Go ahead and click the lock, type in your password yet again, a lot of security features, and then click, then retype your PIN again that you just made. So hopefully you remember it, otherwise you're stuck. And there we go, it should say remote connections to this computer are now enabled. Okay, so we can close that off. Okay, so now I'm just going to go onto my iOS device and continue this tutorial. Okay, so you're going to want to go onto your iOS device. I'm using an iPad, just personally because I find it easier with the bigger screen to operate my Mac. So you're going to want to go on the search bar and type in Chrome Remote Desktop. There it is. And there's just one option. Okay, so you just want to go on to the app landing page and just click download and wait for that to install. Okay, once that is installed, go ahead and go on to the app. Okay, so now it's just going to ask you to sign in with the email that you used to do it on the Mac. So go ahead and select that. Okay, and as you can see now, it says one option here, which is David's MBP Home, or we'll say whatever your computer's called there. So go ahead and click on that, and now you are officially set up. You just need to type in your PIN here. So I'll quickly type in mine. Okay, go ahead and click connect. There we go. We have my Mac, which I can operate with my fingers. So we can go on Safari here. My internet is pretty poor, so if it does seem slow, it's because of this tutorial. It shouldn't be slow for you. But yeah, you can just go onto any sort of link and it will do it on your Mac. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do post them in the comments section below. Make sure you subscribe for more useful tech tips and tech tutorials. Just in case this does become out of date, then I can release a new tutorial about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and that is it. See ya!